Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. EPAM India, which is hiring for the fresher candidates, their hiring process is started again. In the last month also EPAM India was hiring, but those registrations are closed now, and again they have started the new registration for the fresher candidates. So now they are hiring for the test automation engineers, and this is the registration form. 2020 and 2021 fresher graduate candidates can apply only. So this registration form is created by the EPAM India itself. So please, you need to submit all your details to receive the test link. So before that we will check the other details that they have provided. We are adding more test automation engineer for testing practice. Please forward this email to your known contacts if they meet below criteria. So job title is junior test automation engineer. As I mentioned earlier, graduation year pass out 2020 and 2021 candidates are eligible. Academic score minimum 60% across from 10th standard to higher education. Educational qualification B, BTech, ME, MTech, any branch candidates can apply. Okay, so if you have completed your B in electrical, then yes, you can apply. MCA and MSc computer candidates are also eligible to apply. Experience 0 to 12 months. Suppose if you are having up to 1 year of experience, or if you are a fresher, yes, both candidates can apply with relevant technology training or work experience. Salary they are providing 6 lakh per annum, plus you will get standard benefits. Joining month, your joining will be started from December 21 or January 2022. Technology or practices preferred: Java, Selenium, automation. So before going to the interview, before attending the interview, please search on Selenium testing, automation testing. If you have basic knowledge about Java, that is also good. Online test date, the test will be conducted on 3rd of November, and assessment parameters are MCQ on testing fundamentals, Selenium and core Java, and coding challenges on core Java and data structure and the algorithm. So eligible candidates can use the link below. You can use this link to register for further process. All eligible candidates will receive online coding assessment link on their registered email ID. So please enter your mail ID correct so that you will get aptitude test link. Candidates who clear the first round will receive further details on technical and HR round of interviews. So this is the link that they have provided, and registration will be closed on 1st of November 2021, that is Monday, till 12 p.m. as per India Standard Time. So till 1st of November, till 12 p.m. you can apply. So I have already opened this link here. So the details, eligibility criteria, that we have already covered in the previous tab. So in case if you have applied earlier for the same position, please do not apply if you have not cleared in technical or HR round of interview. Please read the below important details carefully before registration. Your job title will be junior test automation engineer. Eligibility: 2020 and 2021 graduate candidates, B, BTech, ME, MTech, any branch, MCA, MSc in computers, graduates with minimum 60% throughout your academic. So 0 to 12 months of experience, relevant experience or training on testing tools using Java, Selenium. Job location is any of the EPAM India offices: Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon. These will be the job locations. Training location will be Hyderabad only. Hiring process: one round of online coding assessment followed by technical and HR round. More details will be shared with the candidate mail ID. Salary and CTC offered 6 lakh per annum plus standard benefits, as we have already checked. If selected and offered, you will be assigned to test automation practice. Okay, so click view job description for the test automation. So you can click on this link and just go through once for the job description. Online coding assessment date, your online test will be conducted on 3rd of November 2021, and your joining will be in December or in January. Trainings will be conducted for offered candidates for the first 2 to 3 months at Hyderabad office. So there will be, if you select, then there will be training for the 2 to 3 months in the Hyderabad office. In case office is reopened and lockdown is lifted due to COVID-19, else online trainings will be over on Microsoft Teams only. Suppose due to this pandemic situation, if it is possible, then they will conduct the training either in their office, or it will be on Microsoft Teams only. Further details will be shared with the eligible students after selection and offer. All eligible candidates will receive online coding assessment link on their registered email ID. Candidates who clear the first round will receive further details about technical and HR round. All the selected and offered candidates will be allocated to testing practice as a junior test automation engineer. And as I mentioned earlier, registration will be closed on 1st of November 2021. Till 12 p.m. you can apply. So please fill all these details, give your full name, please enter your mail id, please give your mail id correct, recheck once your mail id before submitting this form, because further communication will be happen only through mail. Then give your mobile number, do not enter +91 if you are from India. Yeah, so please do not enter +91, just enter your 10-digit number. Then select your gender, then your graduation college name, then education qualification, whether you have completed BE, BTech or ME, MTech. As I mentioned earlier, any branch candidates are allowed to apply. Then you can select accordingly. Specialization in highest graduation, example computer science, IT, electronics, electrical, mechanical, civil. So all any branch, any stream candidate can apply. Please confirm your year of engineering graduation. Only 2020 and 2021 graduates are eligible. If you are not graduated in 2020 or 2021, you are not eligible for the hiring process, as this is mentioned by them. So current state of residence you can select. Then how did you get to know about the EPAM hiring? You can select the official website. You can write here official website. Are you currently employed in any organization? That means, are you currently working? If yes, then select yes. If you are not working, then select no. Then click on next button. Once you fill all these details, please give all the details in the further form, whatever they will ask you. So please give all the correct details and submit this form. So in this way you can apply for this EPAM India hiring drive. So please apply for this off campus drive, and thanks for watching this video.